In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a private friends list on Facebook. Before we dive into it, I want to remind everyone watching that privacy is an important pillar of social media, so always respect people's boundaries. With that being said, let's get started. First, if you haven't already, open Facebook on your preferred device. Whether it's a laptop, desktop, or smartphone, the process remains essentially the same. Once Facebook is loaded, you will need to head to the search bar, which is typically found at the top of the page or app screen. Here, you can search for the person whose friends list you are curious about. It's important to remember that depending on their privacy settings and your relationship with this person, your access to view their friends list may vary. Once you have located their profile, you'll want to click or tap on their name to open up their page. Now, typically, if a friend list is public, you would find a Friends tab on their profile. However, in cases where the friends list is set to private, you might not see this option. If this is the case, you can consider a few approaches to better understand their network. Look at mutual connections often. Those who keep their list private will still allow mutual friends to be visible. This can provide you with a sense of mutual connections or shared networks. Another angle to consider involves timeline interactions. By scrolling through their timeline, you might occasionally see posts or comments from other friends. While this won't give you complete access to their friends list, it might offer some insights into their network. I also want to emphasize the importance of ethical behavior when using social platforms. While it's tempting to explore and discover more about someone's connections, always keep in mind that these privacy settings exist to protect personal information. It's crucial to respect these boundaries and abide by the platform's terms of service. In addition, Facebook often updates its privacy settings and tools designed to give users more control over their personal data. Make sure you stay informed on these tools, so you won't inadvertently overstep any boundaries set by the platform and your peers. That's all for today. While the allure of discovering a private friends list can be intriguing, the underlying principle is respect for privacy. I hope you found this video informative, and remember to use any knowledge gained here responsibly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, take care and surf wisely.